welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own reflector and softbox. The reflector didn't take so much time because I had all the materials with me, so it took like maybe 15 minutes. And the materials are foil paper, cardboard box, black tape and glue. So easy. You can do this in like 10 to 15 minutes. So right now I'm using the I'm not using the softbox. I'm using the reflector, and the reflector is facing the window, and it's 5 p.m. in Nigeria, so it will be evening soon, or it's already evening, so the sun is not as bright as before, so it's facing me right now. So this is the video without the reflector. You can see the shadows on the left side of my face, but if I put the reflector back, you can see that the light from the window is focusing on my face with the reflector opposite the window, facing opposite the window. So this is the video with the reflector. We had some challenges making the soft box because it was a bit hard, because we needed to do some electrical work, which is not really hard to do. But if you are like a novice, you don't really know much about connecting wires and connecting plugs, it's not as easy. So stay tuned and watch the video. These are the supplies I use for the softbox, reflector and tripod stand. Here is a video I did around 5 p.m. in Nigeria some days ago with the softbox. You can see how clear my face is. There are no shadows anywhere. You can see how better the video looks. In the next video, you see what it looks like without having the softbox on. This is what the video looks like. This is a diagram that shows you what a side of the softbox looks like. You can see the measurement is in centimeters. We're going to use 4 sides to create one softbox in this video with a square shape that is going to hold the bulb. We are drawing the diagram on the cardboard sheet. You really need a hard cardboard for this particular DIY project. This is what the square shape looks like. You can see the measurement 18 by 18. You can see we created a hole in the middle. That's where the bulb will lie, and it's already glued with foil paper. This is a side of the softbox. You can see the measurement there is glued with foil paper, and it is finished with black tape around the edges. You can see the flap there that is created with a ruler, and it's around 24 centimeters. So I was painting a side of the softbox. You can see me painting with oil paint. This is a bad idea. If you want to use oil paint, it's better to finish making the softbox first, then you can now paint it after and allow it to dry, you know, for days or weeks if you want to, because this particular oil paint took a long time to dry and it was really messy and hard to work with. So if you don't really have time, don't use spray paint, don't use oil paint, use spray paint. So right now we are removing the outer layer of the cable so that we can connect the plug to the cable. We're removing the outer layer to expose the wires. So we have 3 wires here. You have the green wire, which is the Ether wire, the blue wire, which is the neutral wire, and the brown wire, which is the active live wire. So we're not using the green wire in this video because we already have a good Ether system. The Ether wire is what you connect to your maybe cable or your plug so that you won't have any electric shock. And he's twisting the brown wire now and exposing the blue wire also, because that's the 2 wires we're working with, because we already have a good Ether system like I said earlier. So he's twisting the wire so that it won't unravel when you're inserting it into their different chambers in the plug. So he's twisting it to make sure that it's secure. And this is the instruction for the plug. So he's releasing the screw to make sure that the wires enter into the chambers properly. He's adjusting the cable to make sure that it's sitting properly into the plug or in the plug. He's inserting the brown wire into the fuse chamber. You can see what he's doing. He has already inserted the blue wire into the neutral chamber, which is on your extreme left, your extreme bottom left. So he's inserting the brown wire now into your extreme right, the top right. You can see that's what it's inserting right now. If you don't have a good Ether system in your house, you can use your green wire and insert it where his thumb is placed and screw it down with your screwdriver, or screw your screwdriver. So you can see he's already done. He's about to put the cap back on the plug. He's fastening the screw around the fuse chamber. That's where the brown wire was placed, and he has cut off the green wire. So he's about to put the cap of the plug back on the plug. So he's placing the screw back, he's fastening the screw or securing the screw. He's done with that, and we have a plug, guys. We have a plug. So he's about to create a hole in a PVC elbow for where the bulb socket will lie. So he's trying to create a hole where he's going to place the cable that is going to connect to the bulb socket or bulb holder. So he's placing the cable and trying to fit the cable in the elbow, the PVC elbow, and you can see that the cable is in. So he has connected the cable to the bulb sockets, which is going to go into the bulb holder. And this is the bulb. Yay! It's on. This is the measurement for the tripod stand. You can see all the material needed: the elbows, PVC tees, PVC elbow, PVC sockets, PVC tubes. You can see their measurement there. So these are the materials we're using. He's going to create a base for the tripod stand. So this is him creating a base. I couldn't do this myself. It was really hard to do because he's putting so much strength on it, because I don't feel like I have the patience for this. But he tried putting it together. He's creating a base. You can see what he's doing, using the two elbows, the sockets, and the other elbow, connecting the tubes together to create a base. In the next video, you see that he added some other elbows at the ends to create a front and back support for the tripod stand. You can see he's pressing each end to make sure it fits into the elbow. So you can imagine the strength he's using to put this together. I don't even feel I have that kind of strength. So if you have the strength, please do it. But me, I don't. I'm really happy that he helped me, or call someone to assist you in doing this part. So this is what the tripod looks like. You can see that he connected all that tubes to it, and this is what it looks like. So these are the sides of the softbox. You can see it's already painted, and he's sealing the flaps together, connecting all the tripod sides together. What is the tripod side? Sorry, connecting all the softbox sides together. So he's gluing them together, and he's going to put some weight on them. You can see this, the flaps is like 24 centimeters. So I used a ruler to create those lines, so you can see that creates those bends. So he's connecting them together. So you're going to connect the first side to the fourth side, the first softbox side to the fourth softbox side, to create that cone shape. You see it in the next video with the square shape on top where the bulb is going to be placed. So you can see what he's doing. Can you guys see my hand videoing it? I don't know. Looks weird. So you can see how he's placing the glue properly so it doesn't spread to the fall area. So you can see how he finished each side with the black tape. And he's done. So this is the next day. It has dried. You can see I put some weight on it. And this is what the soft box looks like after putting weight on the other side. So he's securing the bulb holder now so I can place it into the softbox head or softbox. So he's pushing the holder into the softbox. He's trying to pull it in so that the bulb will have like a hold to sit on. He's securing it with black tape, the PVC elbow with black tape. I'll have to advise you to use silicone when you're doing this part because the black tape didn't really hold well. He's securing the inside with transparent tape also. So this is what it looks like. So he has placed the bulb inside and we're trying to test it. Yay, it's working. So he has placed another tube on the holder, has placed it on the base of the tripod stand. So he covered the softbox with a white transparent fabric to balance the light when it hits the face. So this is what it looks like. Yay, my new softbox. So he created a space under where he can easily change the bulb in case the bulb gets burned or something. So this is me trying to create a reflector. I put glue all over a square shaped cardboard box, then placed foil paper on top of it, covered the space with another layer of foil paper to make sure it covers all the areas. Then I'm sealing the other layer to the first layer so that it will have a seamless look. I'm using my hand to apply the glue because I don't really know how to use brush to apply the glue, and it's very tedious to use brush, so I prefer using my hand because I feel like my hand is exact when it's placing the glue around the area that needs to be glued down. And I'll be using the same hand to press the glue the other side down. Yeah, I couldn't use the other hand because I was videoing at the same time. So this is what the back looks like. You can cover the back if you want, but me, I didn't cover the back. You can see I placed black tape around each side of the reflector, and this is how it looks. Thanks for watching my video. Comment to let me know if you tried it at home.